Hello everyone, I'm Vincent. Today I come to introduce our Flange drilling mission, which is a kind of drilling mission with in part 13. Speaking of Flange, this workpiece is used for connected two parts. There will be holes in the Flange and the bottles will mix the two Flange close together. Flanges are therefore used in parts. At present, Flange this kind of workpiece applying scope is very broad. Let's go back to the PT. I will talk about the equipment of our company Flange drilling. Today I will tell you that the equipment is divided into three parts. The first chest. Let's start with the first part. The busiest complex of Flange drilling. At present, our Flange drilling equipment is divided into two types of square. One is the gravity size height, which is easy to understand. Gravity side height is the gravity side. On the side of the mission. Next, the second type is gravity title, gravity on the work table. Next is the most important slider in the equipment. Our slider are of 18, 14, and 15 hyperthesis slider with speeds up to 100 to 3,000. Of course, in the slider side, we will have a single spend with double spend equipment. This is to table. This is a spindle table machine. Single power head, high horsepower cooling per drilling, and milling equipment with a high horsepower cooling. Double spandment. Two slider double power high speed drilling and milling equipment with a high horsepower cooling. Two powerless are equipment from each other and spare part. These two instruments working in the Flange drilling machine. The next instruction is our serve motor control. At present, all our automatic missions are larger capital serve motor. At the same time, our equipment can be replaced by different types of bees. Can be replaced to achieve different types of bees can be replaced to achieve to driving evening. Typing and other operation in order to selected to the person, we also provide an operational knife library, the equipment to change the knife. Optional knife library automatic tool. The following will be introduction of work table. Now, our equipment provides two kinds of work table. One is the T slot. Suitable for flat Flange welding training. Workpiece diameter is 500. Width is 18. If the diameter and width are too light, the accuracy will be reduced. The quality of the hole will be affected, and the labor cost will be high. The second case is self-sinking truck. Automatic parsing in the workpiece center. 4 jobs can be collected in 4 directions. The next chapter is missing persons and workpiece display. Our equipment person is drilling and milling, so it's easy to see the operator in this picture. Also, I didn't pass the video in the PT. If you want to learn the machine, you can contact us at any time. At the same time, our equipment can adjust different dreaming. According to different customer requirements, our equipment can process different size workpiece. Please compare these two pictures. This is artifact images. Then come to the important chapter. Truth. Our equipment can the first the selection of automatic control system. There are three kinds. Candy. We currently have three kinds of numerical control system, which can be implemented into our equipment according to the requirements. Every customer can choose it. Then there is the ball separate line. The lubrication system. And then the ball settle. Next in the line. Next is the traffic cover. And hydraulic system. Auxiliary motor. And oil shunt. Yeah, the PT is over. If you have any question, you can contact us anytime.